Right now it's been outstanding. The relationship between Joe and I we've known each other for three and a half years. It started out where he was a fledgling type organization, same as what we were, and we started sharing information back and forth, and we started building props or training aids, as you can see right here. And with that, we started taking it and developing type of training packages that we can use throughout the duration of the general airframe and power plant programs. As you can see right here, this wing right here actually belonged to Joe. There's a duplicate wing at his facility. And what we've done is we've taken the skin off of this, and we're going to use this as part of the sheet metal training program. So what I learn here on the program, I take it to his facility, and we share knowledge with each other to better enhance both his capabilities and the Army capabilities here at the Air AMP Training Center. A few months ago, Joe and I had a conversation about productivity. And at that time, our productivity here, as far as first time goes, was about 30% rating. Joe and I took a hard look at that and analyzed the problem and came up with a solution. Whereas instead of handing them a study guide and then sending them off to be tested, we decided to go ahead and take all of our PowerPoint presentations and provide those firsthand up front to give the soldiers a chance to understand what's going on. And at that point, then we go ahead and we do the testing or the knowledge testing afterwards. When we did that, we changed our success rate went from around 30% first time goes to 90% within the last class we just had first time goes.